Welcome to another review. Today we are unboxing the UGREEN phone and tablet holder for bed and desk. So I ordered this one because the previous one, which was called the lazy phone holder, which does a similar function, that broke because it was made out of a cable that you can twist and turn the way you want. But if you do that a lot of times, sooner or later it's going to break. So that's why I chose now a fixed holder which will not break when you twist and turn. This is a bit more expensive. This is converted around maybe $15 opposed to $7 for the other one. So this is made by UGREEN, a mobile phone accessory maker. They also make cables, phone holders, power bank, and it's quite a good brand. I believe it's made in China, but they have pretty good quality. It's something similar to Anchor, but it's cheaper than Anchor, but it's still good quality. So this is the first time I get a metal phone holder from UGREEN. In the back it says it's made out of carbon steel plus ABS plus silicone, and it comes in different parts that we probably have to assemble, and this you should be able to attach on a table or on a bed if it has some kind of frame on it. So let's unpack it. The box is made out of carton, so at least it's not plastic, and this is how it looks like when you open it. It seems like a good packaging, and it's quite light. It's lighter than I expected, but it feels sturdy. It's lighter than I thought. It's quite light. Let's see what else is in the box. This, I believe, is the phone and tablet holder, which is expandable. So when you put the phone in, it will have to be in a landscape mode because it's quite long. So this is, for example, a 6.7-inch phone, fits quite well inside and is quite easy to pull open, and you still have space to insert a cable for charging. But if you connect it with a audio jack, that will be a bit difficult because the audio jack is over here. But if you put the phone a bit lower, then you still can put the audio jack here. So here on the back is the attachment to the arm. And here is the table holder or the bed frame adjuster. So what else is in the box? The manual and some warranty information. So let's open the manual. In English. Would have multiple languages. European. Let's have a look. This is the main stand, the clip and the base. So we need to attach the main stand to the clip. Let's do that. So you have to probably loosen it a bit, and then you can stick it on. Loosen it some more. Okay, so now it's on the holder, and then the bottom goes into the base, which is here. So how do we do that? So it looks like this. Okay, so this has to come up here, but I'm not sure how it's going to hold it in place. So we probably have to turn it all the way out, and then you can go in like here, and then that's it. Is that it? When it's in like this, you just turn here to hold it, and then now you can attach it to the table. So this looks like how when it's attached to a table, you can pull it upwards and down and turn over here. So I will put a phone on it, and it's easily put on landscape, but you also can spin it to portrait mode, and yeah, you can adjust the strength of the holder so it doesn't move too easy, or if it moves too hard you can also unscrew it so it doesn't move so hard, and it seems quite sturdy, and you can use it as a additional screen, like when you're working on the laptop and you need another holder for your tablet or your phone, and you can twist it in every direction, or you also can attach it to your bed frame and then watch a movie on your phone or tablet. And I think this will last quite long. It won't break so easily, and it's easier to adjust, and it also holds the position so it's not going to wobble like the cable version of the holder. So that was my quick unboxing of the UGREEN phone and tablet holder. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.